Traditional chemotherapy operates like a flood. When a patient receives the medicine, it enters the bloodstream and circulates into every corner of the body. The flaw in this method is that the drugs cannot distinguish between a fast-growing tumor and a normal, healthy cell. Because the drug travels everywhere, it hits healthy tissue as hard as the cancer itself. This takes a massive physical toll, often harming vital organs like the heart and wearing down the immune system. To fix this, scientists are developing microscopic shipping containers. The goal is to hide the toxic medicine inside a protective shell, safely carrying it past healthy organs and only opening it when it reaches the disease. If we can master targeted microscopic delivery, we can treat the disease while leaving the rest of the patient's body untouched. These shipping containers are called nanoparticles. To understand their size, we zoom in. A human hair is 80,000 nanometers wide. These measure between 1 and 100 nanometers, flowing unobstructed through marrow blood vessels and slipping directly through a human cell's outer wall. As they travel, their tough outer shell holds the strong medicine safely inside, preventing it from interacting with the body. Operating at the same size as our cells allows us to move away from flooding the body with chemicals and toward a protected cellular transport system. But once this microscopic vehicle flows through the bloodstream, how does it actually find the tumor? As a tumor grows, it constantly demands more oxygen and nutrients, hastily constructing new blood vessels to feed itself. Because these pathways are built in such a rush, they are messy and full of holes. The walls of these tumor vessels are poorly formed and structurally leaky. This enables passive targeting. As nanoparticles circulate, they slip right out through these specific gaps in the tumor's vessels. With poor drainage, the escaped particles get stuck in the surrounding tissue, slowly releasing their medicine directly into the disease. Passive targeting turns the tumor's own aggressive growth against it, using its leaky plumbing as a trap that captures the medicine. While leaking into a tumor is effective, some diseases require even more precision. With active targeting, scientists engineer the nanoparticle's shell, attaching specific molecular docking signals. Cancer cells display distinct surface markers that healthy cells lack. When particles encounter this matching signature, they dock and latch on, creating a secure molecular handshake. Once bonded, the cell's natural biology takes over. It pulls the attached particle inside, drawing the medicine directly into the cell to destroy it. By giving our couriers the ability to recognize their target, chemotherapy is transformed into a guided delivery system that ignores healthy tissue. This level of control is already saving lives in clinics around the world. This diagram shows a treatment called Doxil. It wraps a harsh drug in a fatty bubble with a slippery, water-friendly, pegylated surface. This shield hides the medicine from the immune system, preventing it from damaging the patient's heart. This same concept helped deliver billions of mRNA vaccines. The nucleic acid listed in the chart is actually a set of fragile biological instructions that the body would normally break apart instantly. To get those instructions into our cells, they are safely hidden inside lipid nanoparticles, which are essentially tiny fatty spheres that protect the payload and help it merge into our immune cells. The success of these vaccines proved that nanoscale delivery is safe, highly effective, and ready to be used for our most urgent medical needs. Today, researchers are looking beyond soft fatty shells to microscopic metal crystals, which are currently showing promise in early clinical trials. For instance, scientists are testing gold nanoparticles that gather inside a tumor. When doctors apply radiation therapy, the gold absorbs the energy and intensifies the heat exactly where it is needed, sparing the surrounding tissue. Meanwhile, iron oxide particles allow doctors to physically watch the medicine gather inside a patient's body in real time using a standard MRI machine. This brings us to a powerful concept called theranostics. It aims to combine therapy and diagnosis into a single unit that can hunt down cancer, light up on a hospital monitor, and immediately deploy its treatment. Medicine is evolving. By engineering couriers at the scale of life itself, we can hunt down disease and heal the body from the inside out.